Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best sunflower Lego is probably one of the most delightful and intricate building experiences available for Lego enthusiasts and plant lovers alike, offering a vibrant splash of color and a rewarding assembly process that culminates in a stunning display piece perfect for any home or office. Number 5. Lego Botanicals Flower Bouquet 10280. Introducing a revolutionary way to bring everlasting beauty into your home. This set allows you to build a stunning bouquet that never fades. Crafted with 17 innovative elements, these artificial flowers boast incredibly realistic petal shapes and vibrant colors. You can arrange and pose them to your heart's content. With posable petals and adjustable stems, you have the freedom to create unique arrangements. It's perfect for decorating your space or as a truly special gift. Looking for a thoughtful present? This botanical collection is an ideal alternative to real flowers, suitable for Mother's Day, birthdays, anniversaries, or just to show you care. This is just one of many exquisite adult building sets in the Lego Botanical collection. Explore other sets like the Wildflower Bouquet and Orchid for more creative possibilities. Featuring 756 pieces and stems of varying lengths, including a snapdragon over 14 inches tall, this set offers an engaging building experience with impressive results. Let your imagination flourish as you build a vibrant display that will never wither. It's a perfect, unexpected creation for any occasion, bringing joy and color to your life. What we like? This set offers a wide array of flower and leaf types, creating a truly diverse bouquet. Its realistic petal shapes and customizable arrangements allow for unique displays. If you're looking for a versatile and personalized floral display that never wilts, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The sunflower is a beautiful and vibrant addition to any Lego collection. The set includes a variety of brick types, allowing for creative building and customization. The finished sunflower is surprisingly sturdy and can be displayed in multiple poses. Number 4. Lego Art Vincent van Gogh, Sunflowers 31215. Bring the beauty of one of the world's most famous paintings into your home. This building set allows you to recreate Van Gogh's iconic sunflowers. Created in collaboration with the Van Gogh Museum, this buildable art model reimagines his 1889 masterpiece. It captures his signature use of color, light, and shadow in Lego bricks. Inspired by Van Gogh's creative process, this kit features a horizontal strip in the canvas and vibrant sunflowers within a removable frame. It includes a hanger for easy display. The sunflower petals in this 3D art model can be adjusted for a unique look. A tile featuring Van Gogh's signature completes the display. Scan a QR code in the instruction booklet to listen to a podcast. You'll find exclusive content about Van Gogh and his artistic inspiration. This makes a wonderful treat for yourself or an immersive activity for art lovers. It's also a high-quality home decor gift idea. What we like? This set allows you to recreate a world-famous painting with vibrant Lego bricks. It captures the essence of a renowned artist's work with adjustable petals for a dynamic display. If you are an art lover or looking for a sophisticated home decor piece that doubles as an engaging building experience, this is an excellent option. What people say. The sunflowers are a beautiful and vibrant addition to any Lego collection. The set includes a variety of flower pieces that can be arranged in different ways. It's a great way to bring a touch of nature indoors with these realistic-looking sunflowers. Number 3. Sunflower Building Set for Adults. Introducing a stunning 1:1 scale replica of sunflowers, meticulously crafted with rich textures and impressive details. This set features multiple blooms in various stages, offering a captivating building experience. With over 1,000 high-quality, Lego-compatible pieces, this set provides hours of engaging fun for the whole family. Build together and create a beautiful, lasting keepsake. Escape the everyday with this calming and creative DIY craft. Building this centerpiece is the perfect way to relax and indulge your artistic side. Brighten any room with these vibrant, never-fading sunflowers. They serve as a unique artistic decor and a perfect gift for any occasion. Crafted from premium, non-toxic ABS materials, this set guarantees safety and durability. Enjoy a perfect building experience with our excellent after-sales support. Looking for a unique gift? This building set is ideal for Valentine's Day, Christmas, birthdays, or any special occasion for adults and teens aged 14+. What we like? This kit meticulously replicates sunflowers in a stunning 1:1 scale with lifelike layered petals. It's designed for a relaxing DIY craft experience and includes a vase for display. If you enjoy detailed, realistic floral builds and are looking for a stress-free way to bring everlasting beauty into your space, this set is ideal. What people say. The sunflower is a great addition to any LEGO collection, with its vibrant colors and intricate design. This LEGO set is surprisingly sturdy once assembled, making it a great display piece. The build process is engaging and offers a satisfying challenge for LEGO enthusiasts. Number 2. LEGO Sunflowers Building Toy 40524. Bring a touch of nature indoors with this vibrant building kit. Create a beautiful display of 2 sunflowers with adjustable stems and leaves, perfect for any room. These artificial flowers are designed for home decor and display. You can showcase them on their own or combine them with other LEGO floral sets for an even grander arrangement. Looking for a unique gift? This set makes a wonderful present for Mother's Day, anniversaries, birthdays, or just as a thoughtful surprise for someone special. With 191 pieces, you can build these cheerful sunflowers. The finished display stands over 9.5 inches tall, adding a splash of color to your home. This creative building toy is suitable for kids, girls, and boys aged 8 and older. It's a great way to engage with a love for plants and flowers. What we like? This set features 2 charming sunflower blooms with adjustable stems and leaves, perfect for home decor. It's designed to be displayed on its own or combined with other LEGO floral sets. If you're looking for a simple, delightful sunflower build that can be expanded upon, this is a great choice for a quick and cheerful addition to your collection. What people say. The sunflower is a beautiful and vibrant addition to any LEGO collection, with intricate details that make it look realistic. This set is surprisingly sturdy once assembled, and the petals can be adjusted to different angles, allowing for creative display options. The build process is engaging and satisfying, offering a good challenge for LEGO enthusiasts without being overly complicated. Number 1. Sunflower Building Set, Botanical Sunflower Bouquet Kit. Bring timeless elegance to your space with this building block set. Designed to never wither or fade, this vibrant bouquet is crafted from high-quality materials and includes a protective dust cover, ensuring it stays pristine for years. Featuring 545 premium micro-sized blocks, this set offers unmatched precision and detail. You can create a realistic and customizable sunflower bouquet that adds a unique charm to any room. With clear step-by-step instructions, assembling this set is simple and fun for everyone. It's a relaxing and rewarding activity that results in a meaningful masterpiece. Brighten up your home, office, or workspace with this eye-catching sunflower bouquet. The elegant removable dust cover protects your creation and adds sophistication, perfect for any surface. Surprise your loved ones with this one-of-a-kind sunflower bouquet set. It's an ideal gift for birthdays, anniversaries, or just because, perfect for anyone who appreciates creative projects and lasting beauty. What we like? This set uses 545 micro blocks to create a sunflower bouquet with intricate detail and everlasting beauty. It comes with a protective dust cover and a sturdy base for versatile display. If you appreciate highly detailed builds and want a long-lasting, elegant centerpiece for your home or office, this micro-block set offers a unique and rewarding challenge. What people say. The sunflower petals are made of transparent yellow bricks, giving them a beautiful, translucent quality. The set includes a small watering can accessory, which adds a nice touch to the display. The build is surprisingly sturdy once completed, making it a great decorative piece. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.